really what BlueStar provides and is the key is that they are the connection, they are the glue between making sure that this data change and the visibility of this data happens. And you really don't have to transfer any data because it's reside into the same single source of truth. And then you use the CAD program for what they're good at, creating the drawings,
Hmm.
creating the bill of material. We transfer them into the PLM system. You
Hmm.
go through your approval processes, making sure that uh, you get the drawings reviewed and approved, and then you go to operations where you need to start producing these products and so on.
Hmm.
And that's really the data transfer back and forth in this span that is really important, and of course the visibility of it.
Hmm.
So that's the key thing there.
Hmm. And I like what you said about using the tool that's best for the job. So we're using a best of breed tool rather than creating a separate tool that might not hold the feature set that, say, a SolidWorks or something to that effect might hold. Likewise, trying to build basic ERP features, and from
Yeah,
an engineering perspective, into a SolidWorks where Dynamics is going to excel at such a task, and you marry that together in a seamless way, and that's clearly clearly a
yeah,
benefit there.
that's cool. That's the old fight, right? In the PLM world, if you're standalone, you want to have ERP data into
Hmm.
that world, and
Hmm.
if you're in and on the ERP side there, you want to have PLM things into it, and that's kind of the gap that with BlueStar it disappear, right? Because
Yeah.
it's just there, it's inside, it's really tied together, and you have the visibility. If you can get it from ERP, it
Hmm.
just looks like any other form, so you don't have to transfer it. Just click a button, and then you're there.
And as the slide says, it's you provide that integration and you know automation layer. But let's go a little deeper into the automation. Is there anything you want to highlight there?
Yeah, so really what makes the some of the things that the customer said, the time to market, the change order process is really the workflow process, the level of who should do what when. That's the key thing, and the visibility for the whole organization where we are in this flow. That's really the key. So the data back and forth, removing all the human errors and these kind of things, and then the workflow to control that what we is doing is right and so forth.
Hmm.
That's really the key elements in it. So on a high level, that's really what we do to achieve what the customer does.